3 ingredients: mango ice cream. Full creamy texture and yummy. No need for an ice cream machine or an electric beater. Add chocolate syrup. By looking at this creamy texture, you can guess what kind of ice cream this is, like any good company out there. Subscribe. Cream full fat 1.5 pack. Please follow full steps and exact ratio. Believe me, once you make your own ice cream from the mixture, you won't need an ice cream machine or an electric beater for ice cream. Add 2 mangoes pulp. Remember that you will beat the cream you added at the beginning well for 2 to 3 minutes before adding it to the mixer. Even after adding the mango pulp, you will run the mixer well for 1 to 2 minutes. These are the little tips that you don't want to forget in this video. Look, the mango pulp and cream have become one. Now you will add more than half a packet of condensed milk to it, then run the mixer for another 2 minutes. We will not use salt or powdered sugar in this. It has its own natural flavor that will give a slight salty taste to the cream when you stir it, and the condensed milk you have added will balance the sugar in your ice cream. Alhamdulillah, look at the ice cream batter. It makes your heart happy. It's so creamy and fluffy. After watching the recipe, be sure to let us know if you need any hand beater or ice cream making machine. Now you put it in a well-sealed airtight jar. I had this airtight jar. I put the ice cream inside it, tightly sealed. Leave it overnight for 6 to 8 hours. Then you will see, inshallah, your very best ice cream will be ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for easy recipes, and tell us in the comments how you liked today's video. Subscribe.